I'm Aiman, and welcome back to one of my product review videos. You might remember a few years ago that I did a video on this Shark rotator vacuum. If you haven't seen that video, go check that out. We'll probably link it in the description down below. And in that video, I talked about how great of a vacuum it was going to be for my mom. And 4 years later, you know, it has served its purpose. But it seems like it's on its last legs now. Because when we turn it on, when we push it forward, yeah, it makes a really loud noise. Sounds like it's dying. But it has a 5-year warranty, so we're going to try to see if we can get that honored by the company. Maybe we'll do a separate video on it. But that's not the main focus of this video. We want to introduce this because this is the precursor to getting this. So to replace this old vacuum, we decided to get, or rather, my sister decided to get for my mom, this state-of-the-art, completely new Dyson V15 Detect from Costco. You can also find it on Amazon, and we'll put a link to it in the description and comments. But my mom was looking at, actually, the story behind this. So first off, this is going to be an unboxing video of this. And I guess I'll tell the story while I'm unboxing it so that you can see what you get in the box. But here's what the box looks like. You know, you get all the back features, stuff like that. And then lastly, some more technical information. And I'm going to unbox it. Okay, do I need scissors? Okay, so let's open it up. So, my mom first came across this vacuum by suggestion of my brother, Emiro, who, in preparation for cleaning for my sister and niece's birthday party, which I guess we also have a video on, he brought home his vacuum, which is I think it's also a Dyson. I'm not sure if it's the V15, but he brought it home, and it was also a similar one where you hold it by the end. It is a long stick vacuum. And my mom loved it so much, so he suggested that she get one. So, long story short, my mom went to Costco. And she didn't even intend on buying this model. She meant to get the V10, the Cyclone. But then she saw this one. And she said, "Oh, I have to get this one." After trying it out, and my mom can talk more about that as we do the unboxing. So we got it from Costco for about $550 and some regulatory information. And I guess that's on sale right now for $550. But first off, we have the stick. This is some really good packaging. Everything is covered in cardboard. Let me put the scissors up here. So the stick comes out like that. Ooh, nice and shiny. Okay. Then we have the one of the attachments. Another attachment. This looks like it's a bristle brush one. Okay, some more attachments. So I really like the packaging. It's all like custom made for each attachment. I mean, I guess that's what your $550 price tag gets you. And that's on sale. And here's even more attachments. This one's a wider bristle brush. And it looks like it's adjustable. Yeah, very cool. We can explore more of that in the product first impression video. This is a, I don't know what it's called, but it gets into crevices. Let's call it the crevice tool. And then this also feels like a crevice tool. And it looks like it is. Maybe we'll see in later what this actually is. Okay. Then this is a adjustable attachment. How interesting, how quaint. I mean, so far the quality of it looks incredible. No blemishes and no scratches on anything. So it looks like it's going pretty good. And I'm assuming this is for wall mounting it. So this is the wall mounted charger. So this should also be going with it. So you can actually hang the vacuum on this wall mount. And installation instructions for the wall mount. Okay, let's take that out. All right, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, so we have the charger cable, or the power cable. And then more attachments. So another bristle attachment, and this is I forgot what it's called, but it has conical in the name. You can see, pretty cool. Attachments galore. Okay, I think we're not even done with the attachments. We have the main vacuum. This is the roller attachment. Oh, nice and jiggly. Very cool. Okay. Okay. And then, oh, and this is the main attachment. Look at that. Look at that ball joint. Wow, beautiful. I'm an engineer, so I can appreciate a good ball joint. Okay. And I think this is a manual, a user manual. This is an interesting way of packaging it. I've never seen one that's packaged thinly like this. I guess that's to go with the aesthetic of it being a stick vacuum. Okay, and then even more attachments. It never ends. Okay. And this one is also another bristle attachment. I have to look into what all of these individually are. I'll probably talk more about them in the first impression video. And then another attachment. I think this goes on the, well, I'm not gonna say what it goes on because I'm not sure what it is. But I'll say what it is in the next video. Maybe that's an attachment holder that goes onto the stick. Anyway, finally, we get to the main course of this, which is the actual vacuum itself. Okay. It's pretty hefty. You can see that it's about 1 foot long, and it's really huge, really wide. For comparison, this is what it looks like next to the Shark. So it has a bit of a tinier tank, or I forgot what?
Canister.
Yeah, canister. Thanks. My mom's watching. So it has a bit of a tinier canister, but that's because it's handheld. Oh, and it already turns on. Oh, it makes a cool noise too. It sounds like a...
Sounded like laser gun.
Yeah, you hear that? Yeah, so I guess it already comes with a bit of charge in it. So, oh. And you can already use it as a vacuum the way it is right now. So I'll set that down, see if there's anything else in here. But I think, wow, look at this packaging. It's so beautiful. You can tell this is laser cut and it's all folded. I really admire that. I'm probably gonna love the packaging more than the vacuum itself. I just love it that much. Okay, and I think that's gonna be it. And then the box is empty. Okay, but this video is just to take apart the box and show you what to expect when you open the box. Just in case you might be missing components or you're curious what it looks like when you get it out of the box. Again, as you can see, there's a lot of attachments. So I'm curious on how they're going to provide options to store it, because I know on the wall mount it gives you two options. It gives you two places to store the attachments. So where are all the other 9 ones gonna go? You know. But anyway, if you're interested in seeing what else there is for this, seeing what else this vacuum has to offer, go check out my first impression video, and I'll see you there. But for now, I'm Aiman, and today I did an unboxing of the Dyson V15 Detect, and you can get it at Costco or on Amazon. We got it at Costco for $5.50, and it has another option, the Cyclone V10. That's at Costco for $400 on sale. If you're interested, you can go buy it at the link down below. But otherwise, that's going to be it for this video. I'm Aiman, and signing out.